Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing the third video in my little Harry Potter series for the all the houses. I am going to be doing, oh crap, what's it called? I'm going to be doing Ravenclaw in this video, and you guys might see right here, I just wanted to let you know, I was trying to take my sweater off the other day. Had a really bad nail on this thing on my thumb. Was like really sharp because I hadn't cut it, and so when I was taking my jacket off, I ended up slicing my cheek right here. So I wanted to let you know that it's just a random cut that I got because I'm an idiot and I never cut my nails. But in this video I am going to be doing a Ravenclaw makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe before you leave. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get started.